out of the school because of school fees.
Didn't you tell them what I said? That they should give me before the end of this week. That I will come and pay them.
I told them they are even tired. Even myself, I'm even tired. Eh?
You told them?
Yes.
And they persisted and drove you away from school?
Yes. Since last month they have been telling me. Eh?
You are even tired. Okay, it's okay. Don't worry. I'll see what I can do.
Papa, please do something. I want to go to school. Oh. Eh? Me, I don't want to stay at home. I want to go to school.
I know.
I want to go to school. Oh.
I know, my daughter, I know.
Papa! Papa, do something.
They drove me out of school.
You too?
Yes, they drove me out of school now.
But did you tell them that I said they should give me before the end of this week?
I told them.
That I'll come and pay them?
I told them. Since they have been postponing it, what do you want me to do now? I told them. I told everybody.
You told them, yeah, they drove you.
I told the principal, I told my teacher, I told everybody. They're not listening to me. They say they cannot do anything again. I should pay my school fee. Baba, I need to pay my school fee. I don't want to stay at home. I don't want to stay at home now, Baba. I don't know what to do, Baba. Baba, you have to do something. You have to do something.
It's okay, don't worry. Huh? It's okay.
Please, oh, Baba, please, oh.
I'll do something, okay? This recession is really getting at me. It's really biting hard. Have they driven you too?
Yes, Baba.
Because of the same school fees?
Yes, Baba.
No problem. Don't worry. I'll see what I can do.
Mama, do something now. Try. I'm tired of all this now. Do something now, Papa.
I'll do something.
Do something.
Don't just worry, my daughter. Don't worry. I'll do something. Okay?
Papa, just do something. Just do something.
I will do something, okay? I will see what I can do before this day is out, okay? Don't worry, I'll do something.
How long would I keep chasing us away now?
See, we don't have to lose hope, okay? I know that's this money I'm expecting. I'll make sure I'll pay it before this week is out, okay? Don't worry.
Mama, I'm tired of this. So this is what you've been saying since 2 weeks ago.
I'm not doing this thing intentionally. You see, even me, I'm not happy over the situation. But that's just the way it is. We have to manage somehow, okay? I would have been the happiest man to have paid your school fees a long time ago, but this is just the way it is, okay? Don't worry, I'll do something, okay?
I'll do something, Mama, do something.
I will.
I'll do something, Mama.
It's okay.
What is it, my baby? Stand up. What is it? Every time, the same problem. I need a responsible one. Why? No, we will not leave you. You must pay their school fees. Papa next week, every day, Papa next week. Look at you. When you get money, you get out to spend and eat and drink with women. No.
Okay, wait.
No, you must be lost today. Papa, 1 week. What type of a woman is this? Why people don't need to kill this man? Mama, we are struggling in our house.
Please,
No.
this is not a fighting issue.
Mama, we are struggling in our house. I know you don't.
What are you doing?
Papa, give us money. We are tired of this job.
Put you down now.
This plan.
I have strength now. What type of a man? Why?
Please. This is not a fighting issue. Please. Let's see how can I raise money to pay for these children's school fees. We shouldn't fight, man.
Papa next week.
Please.
I must kill you.
Let's stop this fighting,
Next
please.
week.
I called you guests here because I need someone special.
Chief. Chief, I know what you want now. Your usual. Slim feet, fine babes. You know now. It's not a problem. I'll arrange it for you.
Rosie, you are wrong this time around.
Wrong.
Chief.
Yes.
What is going on? Is it no longer your usual? Fake girl, sweet 16.
No.
Then what? What do you need then?
I need a teenage girl. Someone who has not seen the world. Virgin if possible.
Virgin.
Irrespective of her color.
What is it?
Nikki.
We have someone like that.
Who would that be?
Can you remember that black tall girl that I have been telling you about?
Which girl?
That one that I have been telling you. I told you that day.
Okay. Yes. Now I remember. Oh my God. Yeah, you're right. Wow. Chief.
Yes.
It's a deal. It's not a problem. Chief, when do you need her?
You know, you guys are sharp guys. ASAP. Rosie, as soon as possible.
You know now. Up there.
Rosie, here you bad pass.
Chief back take us here till Friday when I go to before anything.
Sharp.
And this year. Have I not been spoiling you guys before? Relax. If you again move on.
I'm coming now. Let me go and come back.
Where are you going to?
Let me just see if I can borrow money from somebody so that these children can go back to school tomorrow morning. I really want to pay their school fees, but it seems to you people that I'm not trying.
Every day, let me go and come back. Let me go and come back, irresponsible man. If you go and come back without money, I will deal with you. I'm waiting, just go and come back.
Have I not been trying before? Have I not been paying their school fees before? Is it because the country is hard now? The country is hard for everybody now.
The country is hard for you alone and not for everybody. Every day, country is hard. Poor man. It's unfortunate I married such a poor man like you. My next generation, I'll never marry somebody like you again.
So, have you forgotten the kind of love I've been showing you before? Have you? The love I showed you.
I'm not here for us to discuss love.
Okay, no problem.
Love, go. If you come back without money, I'm waiting for you.
I'll come back with money.
Friends, I've really come to talk to you girls based on how you attacked your father along with your mom. It's not proper. You know what the Bible said in Ephesians chapter 6? That children should obey their parents so that they will live long on earth. It's true that he's not able to pay your school fees. Yes, I know that, but that shouldn't make you to attack him that way. Things are hard. Things are also hard for me and my family. But that shouldn't make me to fight my mom or fight my dad. It's not right. So I'm just trying to urge you guys to calm down and allow God to take his place in your house and in your heart. And you see things will start moving normally. Have you girls heard me? Just try and amend your ways. And you see God doing things by himself. You won't be the one telling him to do this. Immediately it comes into your house, it comes into your heart, it comes into your life. Things will change and things will start moving for good. Just make God your one and personal savior and all those crises will just stop. Stop attacking your father the way you girls do. It's not proper. Sister Amanda, have you heard me? Have all of you heard me?
Are you through? Oh yeah, now. You can be going.
Have I said anything wrong?
No, we heard you. Sister, don't worry. Thank you. You can be going.
That means you're angry with me.
No! We heard you. We heard you.
What are you still waiting for?
Be going.
Did I say anything wrong?
Nothing.
Amanda, going. How will you get out of this place? Are you stupid? Be going. Be going. We heard you.
Chairman, happy to see you.
How things now?
Nah, this is not well with me.
I'm happy to have seen you now because I was coming to your house now. I was just coming to your house before I saw you now and I became happy. Because I have a problem. I have a problem now.
I'm coming to your place for you to lend me just 5,000. My keke spoiled and I need just 5,000 naira to repair it. Please. You see, I have been running that keke over 1 year now. I have a grace of 3 months, and if I did pay, my master will take the keke from me. So that is my problem now. I need how I can get the money. If you can collect my phone, just give me the 5,000. Let me go and repair the keke, please.
My brother, 4 of my children, 4 have been driven from school because of school fees. So I don't have 1 naira to go. So I said, let me go and see you. You are my friend. Let me go and see if you can borrow me, even if it is 10,000 naira. So that I will take the money and pay for 1 person. That person can go back to school tomorrow. Then I'll begin to rally around. If I have the other money, others will go back to school. I'll still pay back. Please.
I'm just telling you exactly what is happening with me now. If I have that 5,000, I will not even go out to look for anything anymore. I'll just go and repair my keke. That is my only hope. I don't have 1 kobo in my account.
Oh Chineke mo,
what am I going to do in this kind of condition? What am I going to do? No money. Is it only me that this recession is affecting? Oh God, why? Why? No work, no job, no money, nothing. And on top of everything, my family are not proving understanding at all. My wife is even the worst of all. I remember. Oh, my wife. I'm beginning to remember. Before I married her, everybody advised me not to marry her. That she's older than I am. But I was obstinate. I never listened to anybody. Even my parents asked me how I could be able to marry somebody that is older than I am. But I persisted and married her because I had love for her. And she behaved as if she had love for me too. But now that it's her heart, look at what is happening. Look at what is happening now. Every time she's ready to fight me. Every time. Should I run to now? I've checked almost all my friends. About 3 friends now that I've checked. Nobody has money to lend to me. What do I do? I need to continue searching.
Should I open it now?
Nah.
Should I open it now?
Open it, go on.
Wow. Yeah, welcome.
Time. Why is she wasting our time like this?
He's still keeping.
Are you sure she's still coming?
I'm sure they will come.
Timid girls of nowadays, I don't really understand their ways. See the time. See what the time is. It's getting late already.
It's late. It's late. It's almost 6 o'clock.
Are you sure she's coming?
I'm sure they will come.
Please wait. Let's keep waiting.
Okay. They're already here, sir.
What's up, girls? Why, guys?
Welcome.
Thank you.
Hi, girls.
Hi.
What's up?
We've been waiting for you guys.
I was my welcome when I saw you.
It's okay. Nothing.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Thank you.
What's that your name again?
Amanda.
Oh, Amanda. Well, Amanda, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Well, Amanda, we called you here because we heard what you're going through. You're having issues with your father because of money. So we want you to make that money on your own. You like what we do, right?
Yes.
Yes. We want to introduce to you what we are doing. Do you understand? Yes, we don't want you to start as in passing through all the stress. Whenever you need money, you beg daddy, give me money. You got one more daddy forever.
No.
We want to introduce you to what we do. Stand up. I said stand up.
Just stand.
Stand up. Turn around, turn around.
She's okay.
Wow. Sit down, have a seat. You can sit down. Yes. We want to brush you. We want to polish you.
With which color? I'm already black.
Color? Hey!
You said you want to polish me.
No,
I'm already black.
It's not what you think.
That's not what I mean, Amanda. No, that's not what I mean. Wait, let me break it down to you. We want to introduce you to someone that will take a very good care of you. In a situation whereby when you come out, people will look at you, they will say, yes, this is what we want. Not local ladies like, you know. Yeah, so that's what we want to make you. We want to make you to be like us. Yes, that's what we want.
Yes.
So,
but how? I don't understand.
We are small girls with bigger God. We don't do little thing. No. We don't go for that. So, do you understand what I mean?
How? Explain to me.
Use what you have to get what you want. Simple. Yes.
Then what did I have will I use to get what I didn't have?
Just stand up. Let me show you what you don't do.
Again?
Just get up and turn around. With this and this.
Stop touching my buttocks! Stop touching me now.
You can get whatever thing you want in this whole world.
I'm sure that this girl is capable.
I brought you all the way from.
Come stop, spare me that! Is that the reason why you got me here? You want me to do a shower walk?
No, hold it there. Point of correction, we don't do a shower. It's not called a shower walk. It is called small girls with bigger God. Yes, we don't run a shower walks. No, don't go.
Nonsense, rubbish. Don't even try to call me that kind of meeting next time.
No, don't go.
Over my dead body will I be like you?
Amanda, calm down.
Wakwa no waya mmiri kam nafu o Chineke mu anire bola wagio o amo arire bolamu Wa mo abudi muno nyo Wa kwa no aya mmiri kam nafu O Chineke mu arire bolamu Wa kwa no aya mmiri kam nafu O Chineke mu arire bolamu gyo Awagi mi be samuna chimu Hasim kam juang kabudi akara kamu Wa no aya miri kam nafu O Chineke mu arire bolamu
Why are you doing like that? What is the money? You do something? Every day. After going out, after drinking, you come back and you make it in your hand. What type of a man are you? It's a pity. I can't have you as a husband again.
But have I not been trying before?
Don't come inside this house.
Have I not been trying before? I've been trying, but the fact is that it seems that my plans doesn't work out. I try. I let my plans, but the plans doesn't work out. Is it my fault? Have I not been trying?
No food for a lazy worker. You are a lazy man. Right by Cindy. I'm going to cook for my children and not for you.
My toothpaste got exhausted since last week. I don't have money to buy another one.
What do you have at all? You don't have anything. Your toothpaste you don't have. Common brush you can't buy. Eh? What's wrong with you? What type of a husband do I have? I'm wondering, my children see the type of father you people have. Where is the money now? You told us, look at the children.
But I've been trying.
They're not ready for school.
I've been trying to get this money, but the people I've met, nobody has the money. They are telling you of their own problem. Everybody is in this situation.
No, we are not going to have it today. We are not going anywhere. Give us the money.
Papa, do something now.
Darling, this is
Give us the money. Give me this.
This is uncalled for now.
Yeah, if you don't give them this money today, she told me today.
Darling, nobody's dying. Nobody's dying, darling. This is just an issue of money.
Me, I don't want to go late.
Okay.
Give them money. We must never leave this place.
Okay. Amanda, why are you doing this now? I'm your father now. Am I not your father?
Give us the money.
We need to pay your father.
I want to go to school this morning. I want to go to school.
Father, next week.
Why should you behave like this, Amanda? I'm not your father. Is it because I don't have money? What are you doing?
Stop calling my name, John. Papa, give us money. Which kind of life is this? Give us money. Give us money.
Darling.
Yes.
Please.
Darling, ready.
Please, I call somebody on phone and he said I should come and collect money. Just give me the chance. Let me go and collect money from him. Then I'll give the children. Just stay as you are. You've already prepared for school. Let me go and get the money from him. Then I'll give you your money for school.
Children, do you accept him to go?
Let me
Mama, Baba, what I know is that you are giving us our school fees today.
We are behind you.
Only last chance.
Only last chance.
Let me go and
If you didn't succeed again, you see. Children.
Next week, every day.
Mama, you will not bring it up. Next week, every day. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Don't cry. Don't worry.
Mama, you will not bring it.
Hey.
Where are you going now?
Let me go and look for money.
Collect your toothpick. You are going to
Let me go and look for money.
Papa.
You guys. You people are the first.
We are waiting for you. We will go to school today.
One day I am going to die of hypertension.
Papa, you will not die. You will not die. Leave us. No, you will not die. You will not die.
Let me go and look for money.
Papa,
I'll look for money.
Papa, come back. Oh. You see, Mama, went outside the gate, oh. Hey!
Papa, not win.
Oh!
No, I am Miriam Nafu. Oh, Chineke. I never
Please, don't be annoyed. I didn't even see you. Please, is your brother, your senior brother, the owner of the house, is he at home?
Okay, my brother.
No,
he left 2 days ago.
Hey. Hey, God.
Is there any problem?
Hey! You won't understand. You won't understand, my brother. But, I think I have to come back whenever he's around. Do you know when he will come back?
No, he told me something before he left. He said that he will come back not less than 2 weeks.
2 weeks? Hey! What do I do now?
So everything will be alright. Yeah, 2 weeks. Well, yeah, all that different, all will be fine. 2 weeks.
Amanda, you have a name. Amanda calls me here. Hey God, this word. Amanda! You are the one that is carrying this thing on your head. If not, how can a daughter be searching her father's pocket when the mother is beating him?
Who is Amanda?
I'm sorry, you won't understand. Don't worry, I think I will continue searching. Thank you. Huh?
Yeah, I wish I could do something about it.
You can't do anything now. Let me go. I'll be going. Okay.
No, I am Miriam Nafu. Oh, Chineke. I never
my best friend. Long time.
We did.
Where you there since?
See, I don't go your house, so
wait here.
I go ask of you. One small boy tell me say you dey here, they relax.
I just did, my
say you won't get yourself.
Wait here.
See, problem, the small problem.
Wait here, now my friend. Wait here.
Now money, I say when I come, ask me whether you feel with small money. I can solve my problem now, so that you know.
How many times have I told you should stop disturbing me with your problem? Why is it every time you are disturbing me with your problem? Am I your father or am I your mother?
Hey.
We are just friends. Why is it every time you are disturbing me with your problem? Every time, anytime you need anything issue of money, you are disturbing me. Why are you disturbing me, I've warned you, and this will be the last one in Stop disturbing me with your own problem. I have my own too. Can't you leave me alone to live my life, Get out!
But are we not friends?
I said, please leave me alone. Leave me alone.
Are we not friends?
Leave me alone. I have my own issue to solve.
You didn't even ask
I said, leave me alone.
You didn't even ask
leave me alone to live my life. Yeah? What is your problem? But am I your father? Am I your mother? Why are you disturbing me in issue of money, What is your problem? Leave me alone. We are just friends.
So
I say leave me alone, go please. I say go.
You didn't even ask me how much.
I say go, leave me alone.
But friends are meant to help each other.
Friend indeed, leave me alone.
Okay. Let me go now. At least you should have asked me how much.
Leave me alone.
No problem. Thank you.
Go away. I don't go.
No problem now.
Every time money, eh?
No, I am Miriam Nafu. Oh, Chineke. I never give me babe. Someone at Timu. I see come to Body Akarakamu.
Yeah, this guy is before to die, go and die. Eh? Kill the one, hold on. Campanos also. It's a we don't want to get it when I Ogogadi, what is the problem? Eh? Why are you in this mood?
You're a millionaire. So this is you.
You know, I've been pressing horn for you.
You're a millionaire. You won't understand. You won't understand my problem now.
What is it? Tell me about it. Huh? What is the problem?
You're a millionaire. You won't understand. You won't understand. I say you not gonna understand. What I'm seeing now, even if I tell you, you not gonna understand.
Oh God, you are talking as if you don't know me again. Talk to me. Tell me about your problem.
I say you not gonna understand.
What do you mean with that?
If I tell you my problem now, short, you not gonna understand.
Oh God, can you problem with you? More we young millionaire. I have solved all. Just open up. Talk to me. Tell me about your problem. And it will be solved. Hmm?
If I should open my mouth and tell you my problem now, you will... They no longer call me Ogo Gadimma or Mr. Ogadimma. They call me Papa next week now.
Papa next week?
This is simply because each time they ask me for money, for school fees, for feeding, for rentage, for NEPA bill, each time they ask me for money, I'll tell them, please give me till next week so that I can make the money or even borrow the money. Now my name has turned to Papa next week.
Okay, if
you're a millionaire, you won't understand though. It's a long story. In short, you won't understand. It's a long story. You won't understand.
Enter the motor. Let's go.
Entering motor now is not my problem.
Come inside the jeep.
If you say I should enter jeep, I will enter your jeep.
Come inside the jeep.
But entering the jeep is not my problem now. But I will do so because you are a young millionaire.
Enter this car. Let's go.
I will do so.
It's not my father.
But now your carbon copy now.
It's your father.
It's your father.
What's the time first now?
Okay, you people are now rejecting him because you don't have money.
It's not my father.
Oh, what are we going to do now? What are we going to do? Today again.
We'll be late. Very soon now we'll be late again.
I want to change the father.
Madam, open it.
The young millionaire.
If you tell me to enter, I will enter.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Welcome.
This is my friend.
Okay. Good morning, sir.
Good day.
Give him 1 bottle of beer.
Okay.
No, just make it 2.
Alright.
And if he finish the 2 bottles before I come back, make it 3. In fact, give him whatever he wants. Let me go to the ATM and withdraw some money.
So I should make it 3 bottles, right?
Alright. In fact, give him whatever he wants.
Okay.
Make him free happy.
Okay.
Let me rush to the ATM. And I don't know if there will be line at the ATM.
Okay.
I will pay you when I come back.
No problem.
The young millionaire.
The young millionaire.
This beer is not my problem now. Are you discharging me this way? Give him 2 bottles, give him 3 bottles. Then you leave me and discharge me and go.
Calm down. You are talking as if you don't know me again.
No, I know you very well now.
So why are you talking as if you don't know me?
No, I know you. I trust you.
The young millionaire.
Madam, open it. See, feel relaxed. Okay. Let me rush to the ATM. Okay. Your problem, I can go. Okay?
No, I trust you. Why shouldn't I trust you? I trust you. The young millionaire. Hey, I trust you.
Relax.
No problem.
Young millionaire, you're coming back now. Right?
Just feel relaxed. I'll be back soon.
Okay.
Don't worry, okay?
No problem. The beer is not my problem, but if you say I should sit and drink, I'll drink. No problem. I won't go no woman of mine.
So Daddy not yet back.
Mama, I've not seen him. I've not seen him.
What is all this nonsense? Eh? You have taken enough nonsense from this man. Is it not high time we plan and kill this man? Yes, just kill him. So that if we kill him, people will come out and help you people. Hey, if he's still alive, nobody will help you.
It's a good idea.
Can you imagine how he's suffering all of us? Eh? It's better you don't have father than having such a useless and hopeless man.
Mama, please, how will we do it?
There are many ways of killing a rat.
Mama, I don't see reasons with you. It's better we kill him. No need.
If he just come back here now without the money, we have to do something about it.
We will.
Because me, I want to go to school. Yeah. All of us, we need to go back to school.
We will. Let him just come back here.
Let him just come back first.
I know what you know by down. Let him come back.
You are right. You know that man.
Young millionaire. Anybody that doesn't know young millionaire within this arena is a newcomer. That boy, I call him a man now. If you see how I take know him, there was just a time he needed somebody to shorty him. There is this man that imports goods at main market.
Okay.
So this young millionaire now wanted to have a link through that man so that he can import goods from China. So that man that used to report to me said that this young millionaire should bring somebody to shorty him. He rallied around. Nobody was ready to shorty him, to sign shorty for him. Witness. To sign witness for him. Nobody. Yes. Even his own brothers say they cannot sign for him to go and import container. That if he run away from the container, how can they pay? So when he came to me, explained his problem, I said, what are we friends for? I didn't know him all that much there. So I told him I'm willing to sign for him. After telling him that I willing to sign for him, he went to that man and told him that he has found a shorty who can sign witness for him. So later he took me to the man. Then later the man came to know my house. So on the fateful day now, I went there, I signed a witness for him. So this man started giving him container. One container, from 1 to 2, from 2 to... Now he's importing 10 containers, 10! At once. See this small boy, he's importing 10 containers. I've even forgotten that I helped him to sign Shotiro. It's just that as I have this my problem now, I was just walking. When he picked me in his jeep. See the jeep this small boy guy.
It's my neighbor.
So after he picked me, I told him my problem. He said, no, he said he's going to the ATM. He wait for him now. No, I trust him, I trust him.
Come.
I trust him.
Is my neighbor here?
I'm not praying, neighbor. I can't go to the motor, neighbor. I wish he would back soon. Young millionaire. Hey!
Should I open it?
Open it now. Open it. As I'm even drinking this beer, it's just like I'm drinking ordinary pure water.
You know what? We sent for you because we want to introduce you to Chief. And you know what? When we introduce you to Chief, your life will totally change. Ask me how.
How?
Alright. We want to take you to Chief so that Chief will make you rich. He will take a very good care of you.
Take care of me?
Very sure.
Yeah. And Chief will change your life. And even your family.
My family?
It will be totally changed immediately.
Can I ask you something?
Ask me.
What if Chief gives you 100k? What can you do with it?
Hi! 100,000?
Yes.
100,000?
Are you surprised?
I'm surprised. 100,000.
Hey, I've never seen that kind of money.
I know you will be surprised now.
Hey, they used to give me 5,000, 2,000, 100,000 naira.
You see why we want to introduce you to him?
Hey, thank you.
So that you will be very rich.
Yes, at least from the money he will give to you, bring out half from it. You give your mom or your dad. So that it will not be a situation whereby whatsoever you need money, you start asking mom, give me money. Past it, Jare. The only thing required from you is to make Chief happy.
Exactly.
Just give him whatsoever he wants. When you make him happy, he will make you the happiest woman on earth.
How will I make Chief to be happy?
Oh, very simple. Whatever Chief wants, give it to him. That's all.
What if Chief wants to touch me?
If he wants to touch you, maintain. Relax. Let him touch you. Is it for fancy? What you have, is it for fancy?
No, for fancy.
Then relax and maintain. Allow him.
Allow him. Maybe Chief will need something from me, but and I'm still a virgin.
Can't you do this? Just because of 100,000 naira, please. Check it out now. 100,000 is a huge money. Check it out. 100,000 naira is on board.
But that is my problem.
100,000 naira is on board.
Is it a small money?
Yes, you don't need the money. You forget about check it out. 100,000 naira is on board.
Madam, if you see the kind of problem I have in my house now, the kind of problem I have, do you know that my wife and my family, my daughters, they don't call me daddy or even papa, ordinary papa.
Jesus.
What they call me now is Papa next week.
Yeah.
Papa next week. That's what they call me.
Papa next week.
Even my wife. In fact, it was my wife that gave me that nickname, Papa next week.
Like seriously? Why now? What's the meaning of Papa next week?
Because I don't have money. Because each time they ask me for money, money for rentage, money for NEPA, money for school fees, money for feeding, I'll tell them that they should wait till next week. Let me make the money.
Okay, cha.
That they should wait. Let me borrow the money or let me make the money.
Sorry.
Now they call me Papa next week.
Hey.
What do I do? One.
Calm down, sir. You know what? For all I know, no condition is permanent. God can use this man now to change your story.
I hope so. I hope so.
He's a nice man for all.
No, he is. He is. A small boy that has money. Young billionaire.
Oh, is that your papa? Hey, it's our papa. It's your papa. He's drinking beer. Hey, papa. Hey, papa.
No.
Papa. We want to see ceremony. Papa.
What you think? Hey. It's not what you think.
Who is this one?
Let me explain.
Explain what?
It is not what you think. Just allow me to explain to you.
Even you, papa, you say you do not have money.
Yes, I do.
Look at my thing here now, papa. Get this.
You see Amanda?
Get this.
You see Amanda?
Papa. Is it real? Is it real? You are the one that have been eating our food. Who is this one? Papa. You say you do not have money.
No.
Like seriously, wonder shall never end. Look at this girl, so. Hey! They don't have any good home training at all. Jesus. Hey! We bad. They want to kill their father. They even broke my body. Jesus Christ. Hey! This man!
Kill me! We will kill you! Give me here! You must give us a why do you keep it? Why do you why everything is mine? Why pushing me? Stop it! Hey, stop! Oh God! This man, you cannot even. Oh God! What am I doing? You have to leave our school. Allow me to lay here. You must not abuse him. We have beat ourselves. Come and die here. Come and kill me. Come and kill me. This man, we were waiting for him in the house to come and pay our school fees. This early morning went and was drinking beer. You do it for that matter. Very real. Eh? I even tasted it. Which kind of life is that? Real one. We must beat this man. You must allow us to beat him. We must beat him. Since we kill his mouth, he has been postponing this thing. We will beat him. Papa, give us our school fee. What nonsense are you talking about? So we know what you are saying. I was the one that told the woman to give him the drink. What? He told me about his problems. I went to the bank to withdraw money for him. Hey. Huh? Then I went to the bank to withdraw this money. Hey! What have we done? This is the money. What have we done? As the papa no afford now. I don't like what I hate. Papa no afford. This is the money. Hey! Beat him up. That is not afford. Allow me to die. I am better than leave me alone. I want to die here. Papa, stop, Papa. I want to die here. I want to die here. Oh God. Papa, nice that. Let me to die. Let me die here. I am better dead than alive. Let me die. Let me die. If you want to die, where is you? Have you seen what you want to die? Let's just be beating your father. Let me die. Papa, I'm sorry. Let me die. Let me die here, young millionaire. Look at me, young millionaire. Look at me. Just allow me to die here. Let me die here. Young millionaire, I don't want this money again. Just let me die in peace. I'll bath you, yeah? Papa, I'll bath you. Don't worry. Let me die in peace here. No, I don't want the money. I don't want any money. Oh God!
Rosie.
I did tell you.
To be me here.
Chief. Here's the girl.
Wow.
She know what's in on board.
So, you're
free to talk to her.
Baby,
so,
come close.
Rosie,
Rosie. How are you?
Fine, Chief.
Good. Rosie, Nikki, make sure you see me in my office tomorrow.
No problem. Good, you don't pass her.
Yeah, I did.
Babe, make sure you call me.
Alright.
Papa, what do you want to do? Papa, please. Papa!
Let me be. Let me be.
what you are talking
Just yesterday, you know I didn't pay money. At this point, I pay for
I beg, give us money for food. I beg, give us
I'm going out later in the day now.
I don't want that. Please give us money for food.
I don't like this thing you are doing now.
We must eat. Give me money for food, please. Money for food. Money for food.
Let me have a plenty piece now. I'm going out later in the day. I'm going out later to
What again?
Mother, what is happening here?
What is happening here? Let's give us money for food. You say you will not give us money for food.
For what? Mama, let this man rest me.
Stop that! You know stop to school.
Papa will eat now. We eat.
Tell you people, we are not going to eat because he paid your school fees.
Mama, let this man rest me. Will you stop for school? Papa will eat now. We will eat now.
I just paid your school fees this morning.
I
just paid your school fees this morning.
I want to eat food. I'm hungry now. Stop drawing.
Amanda.
People are want to eat food. People of school fees doesn't mean that we will. You're trying. Mama.
I'm going to play that today.
Shut up your mouth. Stop drawing him now. Stop drawing him. Give us money for Papa. You will give us money for food. We need to eat. Papa, Mama. Me, I'm hungry. Mama, you should allow this man to rest now. Is it not hungry now? Papa will eat too now. Who will eat? I want to eat. Mama, stop drawing him. Mama, give him. I paid our school fees.
Don't be because we are going to eat you for where?
No, I'm on the way. The man is trying. If this man die, I will not forgive you people. Give us money for food. If our daddy die, I will not forgive anyone. I will not forgive anyone. Papa will not die, yo. Let him die. He's not dying. We will eat. Me and I will eat. If you don't want to eat, I will eat. I'm hungry. I will eat. See this foolish girl. Hey.
Landlord, this landlord don't come here today again. Eh? Hey!
Landlord, good day, sir.
What is good about the day? Go and give me my money. Give me my money fast!
Okay, landlord, please help me now. Just give me a little more time. Just a little more time. Have patience with me.
You think I have come here to joke with you?
No, sir.
I am here for a serious. Go and get me my money.
Yes, sir.
For these past 6 months you have been owing. Don't you have a conscience? Don't you have conscience?
I do, sir, but...
That I've been keeping quiet is not an act of cowardice. I just decided to see whether you have a rethink. I don't know that you are so irresponsible. My friend, give me my money. Let me go.
I don't have the money here now, sir, but just give me time. Let me rally around and see how I can make the money. I'm willing to pay you, sir.
For how long will you continue to say this? You have been saying this. Each time I come here, you will say the same thing.
But
this
you know
what you always say.
You know the country is very hard, and I've been trying to make this money, but each time I lay a plan, this doesn't go according to my plan. But just give me time. Give me like 3 months now. Let me see if I can make the money. Like
you think I have come here to joke with you? My friend, give me my money. If I leave here without you giving me my money, the next time I will come here, I will come with talks. I know what? They will destroy you and throw away all your property. You will see. You think I will make it a court case? No. They will brutalize you. They will bulldoze you. You know what will happen to you. Give me my money. Give me my money.
I'm sorry, sir. But help me, sir. Consider my plight, sir.
Please. My friend, give me my money. Give me my money.
Please, please help me now.
You are responsible.
I don't have the money now. Please.
I am going. Give me my money.
Please, sir. Okay, Lord, I'm begging now.
I have come here to joke with you.
Okay.
Give me my money.
Okay, Lord, give me time to make this money now.
My friend, give me my money.
You know the country is hard now.
I don't want to. No, I don't need any excuse.
Please, sir. That I'm owing you is not intentional, sir. I don't like the way I'm owing you. Even myself, I don't like it.
You always say it.
But the fact is that I don't have money now. That's my problem. Please.
Listen. Give me my money.
Sorry, son. Just give me time. I'll make this money. I will come and pay you. Okay, Lord,
the next time I'm coming here, I'm going to brutalize you. I'm not.
Please now, okay, Lord. Please now.
Anyway,
please. Please, Oga Landlord. Please now. Please, Oga Landlord.
This is what you always say. Get out.
Please now, Oga Landlord. Sorry, sir. You're millionaire. You come to my house.
What is happening? What is going on?
You're millionaire. Now my landlord name be that.
What happened?
You know, say at the OAM 6 months.
6 months?
Na better person, no. Na better person the man be. Because I don't have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. This is the 6th month now. Why I never pay him. But the man they try, just they beg him, make he give me a small time. Make I make money come pay him.
Well, how is your family?
They are fine, no. But my wife don't go market. Make she buy the small thing we go chop for today.
What about your children?
As you don't give me money for their school fees, I don't carry the money, pay for their school fees. They go school now. They never dismiss.
Right.
We get to see you.
No, don't worry. Just follow me to the house. Let's go to my place.
We want make we discuss for your house. That is okay now. Now my young man.
Welcome to my place.
Welcome to my place. See your house. Come in here.
Okay.
So now you I never come this house. I don't say you build house, but I never come see this house before. Hey. No,
Let's go.
this one is gone marble. Hey. You didn't cool, no. The cool, well.
Come in.
If you hit the film, you just there here. Hi.
Come in now.
Na palm tree with this. No, you did too much. I thank God, say God don't bless you. Even see himself na mabo. Hi. Thank God for you. Oh. Hi. Don't be doing everything.
Welcome to my home.
You're millionaire?
Yes.
See, I thank God, say God don't bless you like this. So, see everything standards. Make I close the door.
I close the door.
Hi. See everything, everything standards.
Come and sit down.
See material. Hi. You're millionaire. To say I get this kind of material.
Oh God.
As Christmas they come so. If I carry this one, so my Christmas wear. Hi.
God.
If I wear them, they come out like this now. Gabardine.
Oh God.
I mean they walk like this.
Just come sit
down. I thank God for you.
Oh, welcome to my home. What can I offer you?
No, don't offer me anything at all.
No.
I'm okay.
You must take something.
No, offering something is not my problem now. You know now.
See, I have drinks. Any kind of drink.
Drink again?
Even I have soft drink.
Yeah, you tried yesterday, and that drink we offered me yesterday, why I drink 3 bottles. Hey. Now that 3 bottles I drink yesterday, you don't see the thing what Amanda with her sisters do me. You don't see that my daughter Amanda. Even if she see me now, she fit cost me my mouth. Okay. Make she know whether I chop something.
What can I offer you?
Leave that one, I beg. Leave that one. You try, but leave that one.
Wait, I'm coming, okay?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No. See cushion. Maybe this one why I get for my house. Maybe send a bone full inside. Ayo. This one a glass of it. See the rock. Hey. Now see your light here. Hey, I thank God for you. I thank God for you. You even get 3. You even get 3 inside your house. Hey, you the water now. Young millionaire. You the water this thing.
See,
God, thank you for young millionaire.
This is artificial, though. You know, we don't have time.
Yes, sir.
Time is very important.
Yes, sir.
Oh, I have seen your sufferings, and I don't like what you're passing through. You know, you contributed to what I am today.
That one I God do more. Not the ordinary shot I sign.
There's something I want to ask you. If I give you like 500 to start up a business, how do you see it?
If you give me 500 naira, at least you go there now for today now. We go manage to carry and cook soup now. Buy small garden inside, chop for today. At least today go there short, say we go chop. As you don't help me pay for school fees yesterday, that 30,000 will give me. I don't carry and pay for their school fees. So if you give me 500 naira now, you go help us for food.
I don't mean 500 naira. I mean 500,000.
You're a millionaire. You mean you want to give me 5,000? No, if you give me 5,000, that means not be a day soup now. That one go reach you 1 week now. 5,000 naira you go take care of our feeding for 1 week. Let me say my wife not going to stop me again for complete 1 week. I go take peace of mind and rest of mind go to my house.
See, okay, I said 500,000, not 5,000. No, 500 naira.
This is my problem. This is my problem. I'm a young man. You go do something small for me, I beg.
What is it?
I beg, help me. If you get this cotton board for this your house.
I think I have this one.
Please give me, I beg. I need them. I beg.
What are you going to do with cotton board?
You know, say this is my condition. The thing don't affect me for brain. They affect me for hand. They affect me for legs. The kind of waka they waka. It affect me for legs. Now you don't enter my ear. Now they disturb me for ear again. The thing they do me like say you they talk 500,000 naira. So help me with cotton board. Make I take and clean my ear.
Okay.
Maybe I go hear well.
There's nothing wrong.
Maybe I go hear well.
Right.
Maybe I go hear well. I beg.
See, there's nothing wrong with your ear. You heard what I said, right?
Young man, I beg, help me now. You know,
I said 500,000 naira, not 5,000. No, 500.
Young man, I beg now. Help me with cotton board, I beg. You see they talk, they give me like say they talk 500,000.
There is nothing wrong with your ear.
I need that cotton board. Make I clean my ear well.
You heard what I said, right?
This is my condition.
I said 500,000 naira.
This is my condition. Okay, young millionaire, help me with cotton board, I beg.
I want you to start up a business. At least to feed your children. Pay their school fees. And other things, house rent and so on. I don't like seeing you in this condition.
Okay, young millionaire, help me with cotton board, I beg. That is very important for me now. Make I just say I hear well. I beg. I'm basically going to talk 5,000. 500 naira.
Don't worry. Let me get you cotton board. Huh?
Please, I beg.
Let me get cotton board.
I beg, get me, I beg. I can clean this ear. I can clean this ear. Clean this one. Maybe I go beat it well. If not, how person go there? Somebody going to talk 500 naira. 5,000 naira. Instead, where I go here and 500 naira. 5,000 naira. I go to here 500,000 naira. I therefore dream. Oh, God help me now. And even if now this money where I no get, but the thing not go enter my head again. They disturb me for brain. You're a millionaire.
Here's the cotton board.
Okay. You're a millionaire. What is this? What do you work around this money do now? I see him now. I'll put up his cell bag. What do you work around this money do now? What do you work around this thing do now?
This is 500,000 naira.
I know.
Take it. Use it and start up a business. Oh God. Take the money. Smile. Relax. Just be happy for me.
You cannot do all this money give me. I will take pay back now. God. God, I will take the pay back. This man.
Take it home.
God. This man will bless me like this. God, make you bless him more now. Make you bless him more. All this money. Bundle of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 100,000 into 5.
Relax. You will not say something yet. Just feel relaxed. You don't need to worry. Just use the money to start up a business. At least you can
carry all this money give me
and pay their school fees.
Hey brother, thank you very much. I don't know how I could thank you, but this is what you do, so you don't solve my problem for generation to come. Even my children problem, you don't solve all of them.
No problem.
With this one now, I go find something what I go do. Every day I go to get money.
Not sure.
I don't know how I will thank you. But like I need that for you.
No,
Like I need that thank you now.
Relax.
What I how go take thank you again?
Relax. It's your problem. And I can't make you for one. Relax. It's okay. It's okay. Just go home and plan on what to do. Okay? Just find a business and just start it up. God will surely bless you.
Amen. Amen. The only thing why not be say that God will bless you. May the God continue to bless you abundantly, more and more. Every day, make the blessing they increase. Every day, make it they increase. Make you don't like anything for this world again. As you never marry, so make you get better wife. Any bad wife when they come into your house, make God chase and come out. God no go allow him. Make bad wife come inside this kind of Obodo house. Make you go spoil the thing for you. It's not no girl will come spoil them. Now the woman who will come here, come increase your happiness. How they pray for you. Okay. May God bless you.
Okay.
May God bless you. 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 I will take care of this morning. I will take care of this morning. Thank you. May God bless you.
Nah, guy, what happened now?
Don't tell you. Where you did?
Nah, I Nah, my brother, make I tell you, we need to do something. This iron will go higher now. We'll go pay for them. And we'll never gather anything today.
I'm waiting at the thing. But we'll go wait and make evening come back. You know, we say we'll come out by this time now. At least one night to do. We know, say we must get them. That one, my show bank can say, so far as somebody like, go get them.
Guy, you did.
Now what you make at the talk of you now, my man? You don't take.
Let's say that man carry something.
These people, look. Sure, say no be these people with this.
Wow.
Wait. You see, same behavior. In the act like saying carry something. Look, we'll try our luck. That's we'll try our luck.
Guys, come here.
Yes,
Come here. Come here.
Sorry, sir.
Hasim kam juang kabudiakan.
Baby is inside the car. Hey, see baby.
Amanda, what are you doing? Amanda.
Yes, Dad.
What is it?
Somebody is inside the car.
Yes, of course. It's young millionaire's fiancé. His wife to be.
Can I see her?
Of course. Let me introduce her to you.
Who is she?
Jovita. Let me introduce you to my daughter. What is it? What is it?
Hey, Daddy! Amanda!
What is it?
What? You! Daddy! Daddy, what is she? Hey, Daddy!
What is this now?
What is she doing here? Calm down. Where is she, Daddy?
I told you she's young millionaire's fiancé.
I know! She's the one that I told you I wanted to introduce me to a shower business! Oh, Daddy, she's dying!